Chief Minister Nongthawan Birren has strongly urged the removal of structures illicitly erected above the Naga drain in Nagaram, located in the Imphal East district. He cautioned that the government will undertake eviction drive post the flood period. During yesterday's inspection at the flood-affected areas in Nagaram, BOC and Kuyathong, the Chief Minister was accompanied by Minister El Susindro, Minister Awang Nyumai, Deputy Commissioner of Imphal East District, Secretary of Minor Irrigation Jeffrey and several other officials. Speaking to media, Chief Minister Nongthawan Birren emphasized that following the intervention of a fire service team to clear the obstruction along the Naga drain, the waterlock obstructed by the debris from Larigyeng and Nagaram is now restored steadily. The team also witnessed many unauthorized structures erected along the edges of the Naga drain. Criticizing the previous government for their failure in initiating the developmental projects, he emphasized that neglecting the current situation will lead to dire consequences in the near future. Claiming that Naga drain was bigger earlier, he emphasized that the capacity has diminished, notably as a result of the construction of RCC structures using cement slits. He further asserted that the flow of water was impeded due to the failure to remove the bamboo structures utilized in the slate construction work. He also advised the officers not to yield the pressures exerted by certain leaders and urged them to continue their work diligently for the welfare of the people. Later, the Chief Minister visited the relief camp set up at Namdulong Baptist Church and interacts with the victims.
Si mayam sine nebi bemba do akoi buna hing tumun da ba sahi ba social media da karin da ba chong ha ba isin chen thum si da do ai si lang kai thum ni na garam thum ni da tong ni am because of this right isin chen ni loin chala haijer bni ta te ba kana da ado sin ri si da dum noi min da u se chen bam je isin chen bam dok chang lo le ma na ga ri ber so si chen bam kai ri ge ha na gi bungoi be ma sing do ji hai ro ma ha na chai hai sumai na hanjal la ga sa gi wal aduna ina he khai do contract oriented oina to mission oina to project amoina praja gi phana bi to tikam yena ba yana bi ma chama so pia san gin ne si he wer piyo o ina sajel libo me am se ulop nang tung ta khai ra ga ne honorable si he sin ta ndar bu ka thau to